Sanfilippo syndrome is a rare neurodegenerative condition. It's also known as MPS III and one of the broader MPS family of disorders. It results in an enzyme deficiency that causes progressive brain damage. The impact of this condition is devastating for families. Life expectancy is just 12 to 20 years, and the quality of life for these years is typically poor. There is currently no approved treatment for Sanfilippo. I started the Sanfilippo Children's Foundation in 2013 when both my children, Isla and Jude, were diagnosed with the condition. They were aged just 2 and 4 at the time. I saw an opportunity to fund research here in this largely neglected disease and to give kids here in Australia the same opportunities to access emerging treatments as their counterparts in the US and Europe. Our mission is to fund medical research so a cure can be found in time for children battling Sanfilippo today and for those born with it tomorrow.
The Sanfilippo Children's Foundation is still a preschooler. It's only 4 years old, but I'm absolutely astounded by what's been achieved in that period of time. And not only have they been able to raise significant amounts of money and distribute that on a global basis to some of the best research programs on the planet, but they've been able to broker the development of a world-first clinical trial that is already in the clinic and delivering exciting preliminary results. So for a foundation that's so young, that's unbelievable progress. That's stellar and almost unprecedented. So I couldn't be more impressed.
Over the last 4 years, we've committed over $2 million to research, and we've funded 7 different projects, including a pioneering gene therapy human clinical trial that's currently underway here in Australia. Our Scientific Advisory Board is currently reviewing projects for funding in 2018. We've enjoyed the most incredible support from all over the country and around the world. We've grown our supporter base to over 10,000 people, and we've enjoyed widespread exposure on both mainstream and social media. I'm so honoured and humbled that the Sanfilippo Children's Foundation has been selected as a finalist for the Research Australia Advocacy Award, particularly as we were nominated by 2 of my peers in the rare disease community whose work I admire tremendously.
We were inspired with the Foundation's clarity of purpose, identifying the issue and then setting out to tackle it. It sounds simple, but most organisations struggle with this. I firmly believe that the ability of groups like ours to focus on our specific cause and channel scarce resources into targeted research funding can transform the research landscape in Australia. And this is exactly what Sanfilippo Children's Foundation does.
The lives of patients with rare diseases like Sanfilippo matter. Our kids deserve better, and medical research is the key to making this happen.